morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally, we have here one of the latest wearable from Ticwris. So what we have here is the Ticwris GTX, and we have the black color. Okay, we got it from gearbest.com. Check out the links below. So what we are going to do right now is to unbox this new wearable from Ticwris. Okay, so yeah, again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please write the comment below, and when we have time, we will answer your queries. Again, this is the Ticwris GTX. So let's have the unboxing. Okay, so let's remove the sticker here. Again, this is from gearbest.com. Okay, so we still have another one here. Let's look for it. I guess that's the only one. Okay, let's check this new wearable. Okay, so this one, as you can see here, it looks like a smart band and at the same time a smartwatch. Okay, so it is a combination of a smart band and smartwatch. Okay, so this is our wearable. We have the charging cable here. Let's look for the user manual, and we have here the user manual again. Oh, we still have another one here. Okay, we have a warranty card. Nice. So we have here the website, warranty card, the smart band, or shall we say the smartwatch, the charging cable, and the user manual. So this is your Ticwris GTX. Okay, so let's check first the user manual. Okay, so it is in English format language. We have here the support app, the Fit app. So it will be our first time to access or use this support app for smartwatches and smartband. Usually we have the Fit again, and the Fundu Pro or the Wear Fit Pro, and the HR Wi-Fi. So this one, it's a new app, Fit app. Okay, available in Android, Google Play, that is Google Play, and a iOS platform. Okay, so we have here the details and the specifications. Okay, again, before we dive into the specs of the smartwatch or the smart band, let's take a look first at this beautiful wearable from Ticwris, the Ticwris GTX. Okay, so we have here wide, very durable, flexible TPU strap. We have here the sensor, stainless steel enclosure, and a wide screen. Very impressive from Ticwris. Okay, so let's check. So it is a GTX model here. Okay, let's have a closer look. Let's make it clear. Let's show it here. Okay, so we have the RTL8762 processor, 62C processor, 128 MB of RAM. So it is a combination of metal and plastic. Okay, we have a 1.91 inch very wide display screen with 170 by 320 pixel resolution. So it supports touch screen, and we have 300 mAh large capacity battery. Okay, so we have the G sensor here, Bluetooth 5.0. There's no GPS. Okay, so we have blood pressure. Again, there's a warning here. Test result is for reference only. So pedometer. So there's no Bluetooth call. We have drink water reminder, sleep monitoring, It is IP68 waterproof rated, Android 5.1 and above, and iOS 9.0 and above platform. So it is supported by iOS and Android. Okay, F-Fit app. So language supported here. We have the English, Japanese, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Russian, and Korean. Okay. So far, it looks great. Okay, it looks durable. Let me wear it. Okay. As you can see here, very wide display screen. Okay. It looks nice. I guess it is comfortable to wear because of this. You can see here. Okay. There's a curve design here. Okay, slightly curved screen, but this one, it will sit comfortably to your wrist. Okay, so far it looks good. It looks premium. So we have here a PC body here, the case, and on top we have the metal bezel. Okay, so seems like it has a very slim bezel here, except on the bottom part. Okay, to give you a size comparison of the smart band, or shall we say smartwatch. Seems like it's a smartwatch already from Ticwris GTS. We have here the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. As you can see here, very far. Okay, when it comes to the size and display. Okay, so this one is very wide display screen, while for the Mi Band 5, simple and small. Okay, you see it? You see the comparison? You see how wide the Ticwris GTX. So if you're looking for a widescreen smart band, okay, similar to one of the entry of Huawei, I guess this one, the Ticwris GTX, beautiful, sporty, smart band, and plus it is very affordable. Okay, let's see if there's a juice left on this smart band. Long press on the power button. Okay, so I guess there's no more battery left. We'll see. Let's charge it and check the display screen. Okay, as well as the menu of the smart band or smartwatch. Again, this is the GTX model. We have the RTL8762 processor for this one, and a combination of metal and plastic. Again, let's have a closer look at the body of the GTX. Okay, so we have here the sensor. We have a magnetic charging cable here. It is using the F-Fit Support App. Stainless steel enclosure. TPU strap. Very wide. Okay, display screen. Okay, do you see the bezel here, the black bezel? There's a wide bezel here that is on the bottom part of the smart watch or smart band. Okay, see, you can remove this. Okay, seems like we don't have a, okay, I guess this is the power button. Let's see. No battery. I thought that we have a touch button key here, but we don't have. We have a power button here. This is the power button. Let's check on the user manual. So we have here the home and power button on the bottom part. Okay, we are mistaken. Okay, so that's your GTX. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Stay tuned for our next video for this Ticwris GTX. For the full specifications of this one, the smartwatch or smartband, check out our links below and check also the shopping site where we got our Ticwris GTX Smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatch specifications. Bye.